guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this really pretty pink eye and new lip, and I decided to use some color today because I'm trying out the James Charles palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So guys, today I'm just going to be using the eyeshadow base that I usually use. It's Soft Ochre by MAC. This is the Pro Longwear paint pot. Okay, so eyeshadow base done. I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe palette. Let's do this pinks. And I want to go for that super hot pink there in the corner. I'm dying to try her. So let's do that. I'm going to do an all matte look. I'm going to start out with this shade over here. And that is shade Love That. Ooh, love that. Okay guys, I just applied that in my crease. I use my MAC 224 and this is a small blending brush. You can get a similar one at MAC. It's called number 217. The reason why I never share my brushes with you guys is because they're all mostly like no-name brand. Like it's all of these cheap brushes that I got from either from Pure packages or from our makeup school. Some of them are Creative Glamour. So I'm going to try to let you know which ones they are, but I'm telling you now, I would probably not know. So I applied that in my crease. I'm just going to apply my Flormar concealer on my lid and create a cut crease. This is like seriously my favorite look to do because it's so easy but it looks amazing. Like I spent so much time on my eye, but I really didn't. And now I'm going to apply the hot pink eyeshadow, and that is called Skip. It's in this corner over here. I'm just gonna go back in with the first shade and just blend it and darken the outer corner. I just blended my darker shade into that hot pink. Now I'm going to be using this light pink. And this is called Pinkity Drinkity. Okay. Pinkity Drinkity coming up. Okay, since everything is matte and that's the look that I want, I'm going to be using my Flormar Dipliner, the matte waterproof one. And I am so in love with this liner because it really does what it says. It's like super matte. Now I'm just going to take a wipe and clean up from my liner. Well, not my liner, but all of the eyeshadow that's underneath it. Now I'm going to be using a new brand of lashes, and this is called BEUKI. I hope I'm saying the name right. But just look how gorgeous these lashes are. The name of this one is called Tequila Sunrise. Don't forget to trim the lashes. I'm going to be using my lash grip glue from our doll. While I wait for my lashes to get tacky, I'm going to be using my Flormar Pore Minimizer makeup primer in the meantime. Now that lashes are on, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm going to be using the Switch Beauty foundation brush. Now I'm going to be using the Benefit Boi-ing Airbrush Concealer, and I love this collection. It looks like stationery. This is number 1. I'm just going to be actually dipping my beauty blender in this. And then here comes another drugstore product. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in shade Chestnut. And I'm just going to use this to cream contour. Another drugstore product, we're going to be using the 3-step to Sculpt by NYX, and I'm going to be using the highlighter in this palette. Now I'm going to be using the yellow in here as my under eye powder just to set. And then the last shade in here is the contour, and I'm using very little because, I mean, look how dark that is. For underneath my eye, I'm going to be using that Lumo Pink, and I just want this to like seriously pop. So that's why instead of using the dark shade, I'm using that Lumo. Now I'm going to be using one of my favorite mascaras. It's the They're Real by Benefit. Now I'm going to be using this shimmer pink over here. It's called Sister, and I don't know if I'm the only one that gets very irritated when I hear James Charles say sister the whole time. Oh my god, I love him to bits. Tone down the sister. I'm gonna use the Pure soap again for my brows to create a fluffy brow, and I find that the easiest way to do this is to use it how I use my Flormar brow primer, is I actually just rub it on instead of putting it on a spoolie. And now I take my spoolie and then I just brush this up. Now that the hairs are brushed up nicely, I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is like the super thin pencil to create like individual hairs in the brow. So I'm going to use this just to get some more hairs to fall in. Okay, so I cleaned underneath my brows. I'm going to be using this blusher from Mud Cosmetics. This one, they have like different palettes, so you can build your palette, which I really like. Inglot does the same thing. That is a stunning pink blush. Now I'm going to be trying the Air Matte by Switch Beauty, which I wanted to try for quite some time, and this is the color Thick. It's the nude. You know I have to try the nude. It's like a must for me. Now I'm going to be using the Smashbox primer water in Serene Green. So this is actually to prime your skin, but you can also use it after your makeup to refresh your makeup. Just give your skin a bit of a glow. So guys, that is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you will find the reviews of all of the products that I used on my Instagram profile at Roshana Isaacs. It will be on my highlights. So all of the products that I use for the first time, I'll let you know if it's cash worthy or trash worthy. Thank you guys so much for watching.